And there are two things, just going to give this to you right up front, and then we'll play together in all the hours that are before us with you on different subjects. So the two things that we would do if we were standing in your physical shoes, we would think in terms of getting out ahead of it. And by that we mean allow the momentum to get going before you get too specifically focused on anything. So as you've been listening to us for a while, have you been? Because it has been our desire to help you to know the wholeness of who you are. We've been acknowledging that there is this non-physical part of you and this physical part of you. And for a while we said that non-physical part of you is in your vortex with all of the things that you've asked for. All of your expansion and evolution is there. And so we said, get in the vortex. And you said, where's the door? I would like to get in, but I don't know how to get in. And we said, well, it's a vibrational frequency. Today what we are saying that is easier for you to hear is that the frequency of who you really are is a very high, pure, because it is resistance-free frequency. And you are somewhere in the vicinity of it, maybe far from it because you've got a lot of resistance, or maybe closer to it. So we encourage you to find some way of lowering your resistance, because when your resistance is lower, your vibration is higher. So we encourage you to meditate. That really is the surefire way. When you quiet your mind, you stop thought. When you stop thought, you stop resistance. When you stop resistance, your vibration rises. When your vibration rises, you're right there in the frequency where your inner being is. And that's when, because you're on the same wavelength, not on a different frequency, but the same wavelength, what your inner being knows about what you want and where you are in relationship to what you want, your inner being then just offers these logical thoughts about what you might do next, not to move directly to what you want, but for the pleasure of experiencing firsthand in your human form the evolution of your own desire. Isn't that a wonderful thing? To be in on watching the evolution. Sometimes humans, you think that what you want is to say, I want it, and then boom, you want it to be done. And we say, you really do want to enjoy the journey. And you say, no, we don't. We just want to get there. No, you really do want to enjoy the journey. No, we just want to get there. And we say, no, you really do. You want to enjoy the journey. And the reason you want to enjoy the journey, the reason we want you to enjoy the journey, the reason we want you to understand that you want to enjoy the journey is because you're not ever going to get it done. And if it needs to be done before you start enjoying it, then you're always going to be in a state of dissatisfaction. Your journey is never going to feel good, and you're never really going to get to the places that you really want to be. Doesn't that make sense to you? But if you're looking for the pleasure in this moment, so you've meditated, you've quieted your mind, you've allowed your vibration to rise, and you're getting these impulses, thoughts coming across your mind. Esther sits to meditate these days. And she writes, she will segment in 10. She will say, in this segment of my experience, my intention is to release my resistance and allow my vibration to rise. And then her new words are, and watch the movie if it happens. Not create a movie, not make demands or requests of the universe. To quiet my mind, allow my vibration to rise, and then watch the movie that my inner being is already watching, that now I can see because I'm not in any state of resistance. How about that? And then often just wonderful, pleasant thoughts come across her mind, ideas of things that she wants to act on now. Sometimes it's just pleasant things. At first she thought, shouldn't I be using this time more effectively? Shouldn't I be saving the world or doing something really constructive? It took us a while to convince her, if she will allow herself the pleasure of that movie, the pleasure. Why am I receiving this? For the pleasure of it. But what should I do with it? Oh, that's when it goes south. When you allow yourself to watch it, to feel it, sometimes it's a storyline that comes through her mind. Sometimes it's actual visuals that she sees. Sometimes it's more exciting than others when she thinks about it later. The awesome pleasure of non-resistant thought. So that's the first thing that we would be doing every day. We would set aside 15 or 20 minutes to watch the movie. That's really getting out ahead of it. That's really practicing step 3. That's mastering step 4. That's putting yourself in the place of the receiving mode of all the things that all you've lived has caused you to identify that you would like to participate in. Then the other thing that we would do is segment by segment, we'd get a little more specific. In this segment, as I'm getting into my vehicle, or as I'm getting onto my vehicle, as I'm making my way from one place to another, these are my intentions. I want to feel really happy. I want to feel the enthusiasm of other people. I want to feel my own clarity and stability. I want to feel my clarity. That's such a wonderful intention. I want to notice things that matter. I want to have a joyful experience. I want to feel the pleasure of being alive right here and now. And you can even be more specific. I want to travel on routes that are open and flowing, and I want to have conversations with people that are meaningful and fun. You can be as specific as you want to be once you're aware that you're in that non-resisted place, you see. And the combination of a daily meditation and a frequent segment by segment getting more specific will hold you in more and more moments of pleasure. And what could be better than living happily ever after? Being happy now. But Abraham, there are bad things going on in the world and in my life experience. What's that got to do with anything? What's that got to do with where you're going? You already used that as your reason for launching a rocket of going someplace else. Now let yourself go. Stop looking back, you see. So do we get there, or is there something more?
No, the word pleasure is really sounding.
It's a key word for you.
Yeah, it is.
And you know why? Because you can do that in this moment. As something is happening, you can like it or not like it. And sometimes you'll step in to an avalanche of energy that you didn't see coming and that you weren't out ahead of. And sometimes it'll knock you over and it'll feel real bad, but it won't last. And as you know that, then just keep looking for more opportunities to have more delightful moments. And people will find you weird at first because you won't be responding appropriately. Someone will say, did you know so-and-so died? And you'll say, really? Really? You know someone lost their fortune? Excellent opportunity. What do you mean? Oh, I don't think you're ready to hear this. They've launched so many rockets of desire that are going to serve them so well for so long and gives them an opportunity. Now the cooperative components are all being gathered, and all they got to do is get over not feeling tragic about the money that they've lost and get in vibrational. Too much too soon, because they'll just think you're crazy because you're not facing reality. And maybe you have a reality that you want to keep facing. We know for sure that much of your current reality is really worth keeping going because it's wonderful. But we also know that there is so much that you have put into your vortex that you must move toward if you are to feel the satisfaction of your life experience. Because satisfaction comes from only one place only. Satisfaction comes only from having a desire and moving in the direction of it. And we know for sure you've got lots of desires going on. So it's up to you whether you move toward it or away from it. But once you get the hang of this, then you'll practice that muscle. And more you'll feel good more and more. And the better it gets, 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 the better. It's going to take a while. The better it gets, the better it gets, the better it gets, the better it gets. Enough?
Yes,
really
thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
Really good. Really good.
Don't forget to leave a positive message and subscribe.